What's up, guys, and welcome to TNT Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my 5-star, highly raved about Cocoa Shea body butter. It is super simple, but it's oh so good. It will make you question your everyday moisturizer. So if you want to see how I make the best hair and body butter ever, then just keep watching. All right, let's go. So I'm going in with the 90-degree coconut oil. I use this in the hotter months so that my butter does not melt as easily, but you can use the 76 degree if that's what you got. That's actually what I use at shower time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on my heat, and I'm using low heat, very low, so that I don't disturb any of the properties of my ingredients. Next, I've got the beautiful naturally refined shea butter. I'm just adding that to my mix. Let's go, let's go. All right, so these are the two most important butters, but now I'm just going to add some of my liquid ingredients. But first, I'll give you a peek at what that looks like. What I like to do when I've got my solid ingredients is I usually just use a knife, and I'm going to have to switch to that because the spatula is not working, okay? But I'm going to use a knife, and I'm just going to go in and break that down so that it melts quicker with the low temperature. All right, just cleaning my spatula off a little bit. And one thing I have noticed is that if your heat is too high, then it can really mess up the solidifying process later on. So just make sure that you got the time to be patient. Don't do it in a rush. I'm now adding my vegetable glycerine, and I only add just a little splash of this because she doesn't always play well with others. She doesn't always mix well. Next is the vitamin E. You can never go wrong with that. Just a few little drops just to add that extra goodness. I love the synergistic feel of these ingredients. There's my olive oil. They are wonderful, individually, but when you put them all together, you've got something really magic. So I'm just melting the ingredients. After they melt, you want to put them in the refrigerator for about an hour, and the mixture will get really hard. It'll be a solid. That's when you'll know you're ready for your next step, which is the mixing process. And you guys, I was not coordinated enough to hold this and do well, but as you see, I take that solid, I mix it up. It literally looks like icing, like your kids might want to eat it, so be careful. So this is what the final product looks like. I've put on a label here, and I don't know if you can tell, but the product itself is just so creamy, melts right into the skin. And if you don't have really dry skin, this is probably going to be overkill for you. But I will say that when I have my Etsy shop, this was by far my #1 product. Everybody that's ever tried it has raved about it. I mean, it's just so moisturizing. Um, I mean, it's great. That smells really good. It's super simple to make. Unlike the bath bombs, I did a bath bomb tutorial of that. You can mess up. This, not so much. Like, you just use the oils and butters that you have on hand. The only thing you do want to be careful with is that you don't get the temperature too high when you're melting the butters. You don't want to destroy any of the healthy properties. And yeah, if you just keep that in mind, it's super simple, but I mean, everybody loves this stuff. I can't believe I've gone so long without making it, but I'm really glad that I had a request to make it, and that my sister was harassing me to uh, have me make her some. So here you go, sis. I told you I got you. So yeah, another thing, you can also use this product on your hair if you have natural hair, and it happens to be dry. So I did use water and then this as my oil conditioner last night. Those were the only two products I used, and I haven't put anything else in my hair this morning. I mean, it's wonderful. Maybe, if you don't have like dry natural curls, you could use this as just like a conditioner and then rinse it out. It's super moisturizing, nothing but natural ingredients except for the fragrance. You can omit that if you want all natural ingredients, but I highly recommend you try this if you're into doing DIYs and you want your own natural hair slash body butter. I love this stuff and I think you'll love it too. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see me and my sister Tiff break down all things beauty, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.